You know, say every Wednesday right now. Be like say you know they stable for Wednesday. We they get to welcome and entertain the evicted housemates of the Big Brother Titan. Yeah, where they go on for South Africa currently right now, and 2 people they evicted on Sunday. One of them will be our very own is Jenni. Our choir is independent. Yeah, she's in the studio with us right now.
Well, welcome to Naija FM.
Thank you so much. I'm actually very happy to be here. So.
You know, saying our feeding station, you do. You go give
we go rugged how many out.
You feel comfortable, Shari. If you're not job, babe, now Pigeon not supposed to hard you now.
Pigeon not hard for me. You know, say they bomb me for Yankee. Pigeon not hard for me.
Sure, you don't proud though. You don't proud now. You would say bomb me for Yankee. No, now we don't bomb for Yankee now.
No,
sorry, not vessel. We would not bomb for Yankee. Now only us have you speak Pigeon without command. No problem.
No, be like that now.
Just they start don't bring violence. No problem.
Jenni, and the best way they talk to now violence headquarter man.
I'm a proud
violence versus violence.
All right, Jenni, during your eviction on Sunday.
Yes.
You know, when Ebuka, they ask you some questions, they tell and say, you did surprise, say, housemates, them, be like they get another definition of who you actually be. Because for you, you are a sweetheart. So why you feel say housemates no see you as that sweetheart where you call yourself?
My mouth they put me into trouble. Do you understand? Because anytime I see they talk, I go talk calm like that. I don't know how to control my mouth.
Okay.
Now how they feel they talk. I don't know how to come and be funny,
spice things up.
I'm not mad at you when I'm mad at you. If I vex for you, I go tell you say I vex for you. If I want para, I go para, but I know they para for no reason.
You feel say now because of your outspokenness, when some people see as para,
yes,
they don't like you really?
Yes, because the reality of it is that I was one of the most, if not the only outspoken person in that house. And my background, especially growing up, obviously, in the States, was that I always had to defend myself. So automatically, I had my defense guard up, and I feel like...
Okay, so before person even talk, say, you don't follow bass.
No, me say, if you do bass for me, I'll do bass. I don't give you one bass.
Okay.
I go give you... However you take follow me, now I go follow you.
So,
and for me, in that house, the only person where I feel say, I gave bass was only one person, a Miracle.
Miracle, why? Why Miracle?
Because
you know, like
I knew from the beginning
the first time you see
the first time I give the benefit of that. Not be say person go enter house, I go say this one. But I started to understand that the guy gets strategy. He wants to take out his competition. I felt like I was one of his biggest competitors in that house.
Based on the fact say you they cook,
they cook, he won't cook. When they talk to people like
okay, that one too be your strategy for inside the house.
Strategy to cook for 23 people easy.
Everybody accused white money of using that strategy to win the house, heart of the housemates and everybody outside too.
You know, easy, and if it's easy, maybe we'll do one. Do you understand? Cooking for 23 people, can't they carry pots? I'm not anybody's mother in the house. Can't they turn rice? No, it was not a strategy. I felt like in that house, I needed something
maybe
that was...
Maybe their mother.
I not be say I burn any of them, but I don't want starve also because I wanted to cook what I was familiar with. And me, I'm not very fond of eating other people's food. So I felt like, okay, if I was not fond of that, I go cook my own food.
For those we don't know, Jenni, mama gets restaurant.
So she sabi, she get all the recipe of different foods.
Proper chef. In case you don't know.
Proper chef. I hear say even my egusi go viral that day.
I bet when you go cook the outside don't move.
No worry. When I cook, I can't distribute them for all of them. I'm not try.
That one, all of you now. Now only us the house. Which one say all of you now? Invite us. We'll cut shop for your house.
No worry. Coming very, very soon.
Okay, so how you go consider your experience inside the house and what you go feel say you do wrong when make your fellow housemate put you up for eviction, and why the people when be say that they outside not hold you down? What you feel say it really happen along the line?
So I'll start with your second question first, which is like, why did I feel like housemates put me up for eviction? First of all, now only 2 pairs will put us up for eviction. The past 2 weeks, we not even smell eviction. We no smell nomination. Nobody mentioned our name. And this past week, we were put up for eviction by 2 pairs. Honestly speaking, I'm not even upset, like, because it was only 2 pairs. And even looking at comments, it was like, you people were not liked in the house. If we were not liked in the house, why they want to keep us in the house? Same person when you know like, go tell them they come out now. Do you understand? So for me, I felt like one of the pairs felt like we were a competition to them, because me, I still don't understand to today how my name came about for them. The other one, my partner. I go blame my partner for that one because.
So if you say you don't get enough crowd to support her, now I think this you be the second or the third. Okay, you be the third evicted housemate who be settling in Nigeria, and 2 out of those 3 people, they don't blame their partner who be South Africa or talk say their vote not heavy. So now say South Africa no they participate the way Nigerian people they participate for this Big Brother title.
I'm talking about just getting put up for eviction first was my partner's fault because the people that people will put them up. Nah, one girl where you don't mess with before.
Okay, when you don't play with.
Where you don't play with the girl, you understand how babes they do. She carry emotions, say she no forgive her. They can't put me for that because Yemi was also a part of that partnership. And Yemi and my guy. Yeah. So it just so happened we're partners, but in terms of voting and everything, I can't speak on that because do I know or do I not know? But
now when you don't come outside, how you view the whole arrangement?
I'm viewing the thing as Big Brother is a very big thing in Nigeria. Big Brother, people they carry Big Brother for their head for Nigeria.
But for South Africa, what do you think?
I think it's just because they are just starting. Do you understand?
They never they used to them.
No, they never they used to. It's like seven. We have like 8, 9 seasons of Big Brother versus them. They did like 2, then they stopped. And even for us, the South Africans, they talk, say, when I go back to Nigeria, I'm going to be celebrities. We will go be influencers. They don't care about us here. Wow. So it was an automatic they can't now partner us. If you say, people are saying your people don't vote, why do you not do that? But I did appreciate the partnership because we got to learn about our partners that come from a different culture, a different background.
I think that's the idea of the show, though.
Yeah, it was definitely to unite because obviously we do know, the stereotype out there or the issues that people think South Africans and Nigerians have against each other. So I felt like the show, it won't bring us together and bring us as one.
So during one of the diary sections, Biggie, they ask each pair, say, okay, if you get the power now to evict a certain pair of people, so who you would like to evict? Funny enough, both you and Melly, both of una break Kosiku. Waiting this pair do to you.
This one when they blink eye like this, you still carry the.
Waiting they do to you, both of una at the same place.
Yeah. So like I said, Miracle, Miracle came in with strategy, and his strategy was annoying. But you go fight person, you won't call they cry. Why they cry? Do it with your chest. Do you understand? So that was already annoying, and I felt like Miracle he was trying his best to turn everyone against me, and it was very funny because people saw it. As far as Kosi, nobody say I hate the girl. I don't hate the girl, but that strategy of coming and play with 3 people, 4 people at a time. That entanglement, you don't hold now. The strategy you don't hold. I don't like when person gets strategy and they see their strategy, they smell for my face. So as your strategy they smell, maybe they smell they go.
So indirectly now, because of Miracle, you nominate Kosiko
automatically, and I felt like, and that's this, the downside of partnerships, because on a regular day, I know send Kosi no send me, I would just be putting Miracle up every week.
That one would not even make measure of entanglement right now, whether I like or not, inside the Big Brother, whether in Nigeria or Africa or between 2 countries, or one of the sweetest thing when they always happen inside now the relationship or entanglement. You personally right now, I want to ask, because if let's say you get one person when you be show heavy interest for, and for you to the shy, you don't already know what they talking about. Juicy J, you get how come you just fall in love with that? Not fully well say who's the same Juicy J right now, get high on top Yvonne, right? Yvonne body. So how it happen really, and why Juicy J?
First of all, no be love now.
Now affection.
Love, care, love. Yeah. First of all, no.
Okay, what you go describe as?
Okay, so let me start the small history of Juicy J and I. Before then, when I first walked into the house, to truth be told, there was no man there where I see. I don't even look man face because I know nobody there was attractive. I don't look man face.
On top of those heavy muscles went full inside the house.
I beg you,
and the yellow purple.
If you see person with fine, where be your spec, you go say.
Sorry, what be your spec? I like no.
My spec no be for the house. Me, I get different types of specs, but all of my specs are not inside the house.
Different type of specs.
Different type. Different type.
So, but why Juicy J? Because you supposed to even tell. I think you were supposed to test Juicy J whether I go for you something like that. Then along the line, obviously, now you they come test.
Okay. So obviously, Juicy J, he didn't want me with play. Do you understand? Like he was just joking with me, but he was flirting with me through jokes. And for me, I don't take anybody seriously. I'll just be thinking he's joking and play with the player. Eventually, like I used to tell him, like, guy, you're confused though. You don't know what you want. Don't know what you want. And Yvonne are my girl. So automatically, the first Saturday night party where Juicy came up to me, I was just talking what he was talking. I went to Yvonne and I told her, and I said, babe, obviously this guy, he did try do two friends, and how do you have the liver to do that? Let's
you know if you say you're not supposed to do that thing.
Why?
Can't go the report to Yvonne after I talk to you.
Because Yvonne are my girl. Like I said, Yvonne was the first person where I talked to when I entered the house. Do you understand? I know be man will be a problem for that house. God forbid. Or national TV go the drag man.
Jennifer Abi.
Jennifer.
Oh, Miss Waiting.
Now my last name.
Okay, your last name.
Make I talk my government
name.
Talk
your government
name. No, okay, fine. I mean,
talk
Miss Jennifer Okoro.
Okoro. Okoro law, Abi. I mean, not be Okoro law.
No.
Okoro. Full stop.
Okay, back to your answers when they give us before. You also get something when it comes out. So you want your to say Juicy J was never like you never really did into that, or not because Yvonne are your friend, I make you just set that boundary. Yeah,
like obviously,
but not on a norm. If Yvonne on the equation, you for moving on for take.
On a norm, I always told you, I tell him, say, okay, you're a very confused man, and I don't like confused men.
If I wish you not be confused, if I be a good person to say that ship with,
he was a good person, yeah. So I wouldn't have cared to. Do you understand being a sheep? But honestly, I don't go that house go find sheep.
Nobody really go there go find sheep. But things happen in the Big Brother. And for most time, the sheep when you build, now they keep you longer for the house. All of us now one of the most used strategy.
Now love
you get.
As I don't get love now, they come.
Okay,
come out.
you talk something again inside the house. Say, I want quote you say. Say on a good day, say you know go. You mean one of the hottest bobo inside the house, whether you like or not. A guy they run a triangle, I mean a square they run.
In a square, don't be triangle again.
It don't pass triangle. Or wait it octave. Wait without that this thing will be like octave. I mean when you get different
octave.
Octave, yes. If you like say you mean an octave right now because you're wrong with different women. You say, man, I'm not going to talk to Yemi. I'm waiting for someone outside. If they find out who the person is, they will kneel down for me. I can say, now think you marry, I've been a Buhari, you get. Only me, because I know the only president will come in now. I go based on respecting our president. I say, Baba Buhari, I'll kneel down. So who be this person when they outside?
Jennifer, your mouth.
Now lie you they lie.
No be lie, but how are they this quoting? Don't worry. The person doesn't.
No, you can't let now you don't come outside. You need to let us know whether we really need down or not. If now one chief for village, I be that one king.
Now God himself said, maybe leave him like that. I cannot come on.
You cannot come on with him, but you talk about for national TV.
I talk about for TV, but I talk in him.
Now what we want to know who be this person?
The person knows.
Say all your because the way you talk, I will be like, wow, that means a big man. Now this person they date to. Wow, I've been a person husband. I'm making all
Jesus.
Jesus. Not be you Satan now.
Now me Satan. And let me clear something.
Yeah,
I go talk name. I don't go talk name. I don't now it's want. But what I would say is that in that house, honestly speaking, the ages were a bit low for me as well. If I was the oldest person in the house was Luke. Luke was 31.
Luke gets your own wife inside the house.
Luke exactly blank. And even entering that house, like Yemi and I started off as guys automatically. Like that reminded me of like one of my guys back home. So I know even Luke Yemi that way. So automatically it wasn't like I said, Yemi's not my type. I know Luke Yemi that way. And if I don't look you that way.
So from your youngs now, it be like say you first don't use age to roll out of the guy. You like older men, I they try talk.
I like men that are older than me. I like what no be person
Why
papa.
you dey know your voice now?
No be person papa,
no be
but
person
yes.
husband too.
Yeah, no be person husband. No,
But you like them like 40s in the 40s,
calm
right?
down now. I said Luke was the oldest. He was 31. If he starts for 30, 31, 32.
But Yemi na 30 now.
Yemi was 30, but Yemi at the house and that shit right away.
How old do you be officially for those who don't know?
I'm 25.
Not do like people when don't come before you come the what's
I'm 25. I'm 25. I'm actually 25. December 27, 1997. There's no point of me lying.
you don't rehearse and down. You don't
They don't realize I'm down. Your mouth says like I don't tire.
Jenny, you be 20 waiting.
I am 25. Oh.
And you don't look for older men above 30.
Why are you putting 40? See, I don't
Above
try
30,
people
sorry.
my age,
Okay.
and I don't chop breakfast.
Oh.
Even the ones older too, I don't chop small breakfast. But let me. It's better.
But
to
this
go
one
to-
and Nigeria idea be that outside the country. This one when you say we'll need down for so.
Oh, I don't.
Not
want
go
to
let us settle down, go dig at the person, no.
No, I go dig them out. If you not dig them out, so that I say yes, so that I say no. I own a business at this point. I'm not saying anything.
Okay. Maybe leave you and choose that right now. Okay. Say Tabang and Kosi or Kosi. They talk say you call me brother, I call your sister too. You understand? And their own brother and sister they do I touch you touch me kind of relationship. So I don't know for you, you really feel say this relationship between them now really brother sister or something better. Feel even come out from this their friendship outside the house.
Truth be told, me I don't know say them they do small thing until they
You sleep all through the night.
See, when I sleep, I dey sleep. Not because they go very, very, very far when I don't sleep.
Okay.
But I think that the problem with them, or what is hindering Kosi from going to Tabang, is age. Tabang is 21 and Kosi is 25.
Age is just a number.
But people they really consider age
Age
to
is
be
just
sincere.
a number.
In the house, obviously, they're not considering age, but coming out of the house, I think people started to. Do you understand?
Because now you be like say Yemina don't they sit down back as threats. They even see Miracle as threats anymore.
See, Miracle no be threats. Now Tabang be threats. Tabang is a threat in the game. Tabang is a threat to Tabang not threat to small but mighty. Now what's they call
Small but mighty.
Still Naija FM 102.7 now you position for live and direct. Money runs with around B and
Impeccably.
I will still get the one and only Jenny in the building.
Boss mama.
Boss. You like mama? Okay, no, you like Oda. Sorry, you like.
I don't have that trouble for you,
So sharply right now, I know say this is not new level for you already, but what I like or not, before now, nobody really know. Oh, who be Jenny? Oh, you get maybe a few people around you suppose know, but now on a new level, the whole of Africa, there's a possibility they know you already. So what you plan to do next with this whole new level of stardom?
Shout out to Big Brother. They don't give me platform. You understand? So I will use them very, very wisely. I will use them, sell myself, sell that version of Jenny away when I don't see
She inside
or
the
Big
house.
Brother. Me when I see the real person. Me when I don't see that angry person, that aggressive person all the time. Me when I see the sweet side of Jenny. Do you understand?
So last, you know, say you not show your sweet side and a quarter you carry go there.
Now camera show my cookie. See, camera no show everything. Camera no show where they cry. Camera no show. See, then I show.
To cry not be a sweet person, huh?
Cry. Calm down now.
Okay. So which feed, like before you enter the house, what you be they really do? You they plan to continue?
Before I entered the house, I was working in 9 to 5 for a pharmaceutical company. I'm a health and safety professional. Jesus Christ.
Don't worry, call them anyhow.
Health and safety specialist.
Okay.
And I worked for a pharmaceutical company in the States. But it was nice. That's what I used my degree for. But before that, I also reviewed music. So I'm a music reviewer. And I have a podcast on that. So I am getting back into music reviewing. And the cooking never stops. So I'm going to try to do something with this.
We go start and
even
then.
say they plan to open a restaurant
We
just
go.
like your mom.
No worries. We're going to open
the kind
it.
of man where get outside. That's not wait already. Now be Valentine gift. They don't. You go see and watch it come on and you go post her.
Amen.
The man not build restaurant for Lagos already.
Hints.
So waiting you go miss now, as per say you don't even come up from the house. So waiting you go miss from the house.
To be honest, I just miss the people where I share genuine connections with.
Okay, who are those people?
Definitely Nana, Black Boy, Yvonne, and Olivia as well. Even though
Outside the house, so you feel say you not go ever get good relationship with.
Yeah. The only person I don't get good relationship inside the house, we no go get them outside the house. Now miracle.
Hey, this
I
miracle.
know, because when I come out for house, I can't they see things where you say, and it all makes sense. And for me, if you're not a genuine person, I know say na game more, but why na me?
So waiting be that weird, the most surprising thing where you hear about yourself since you don't come out from the house.
That I was bitter. I don't get love, so I was bitter.
But you be getting okay. So you get
calm
relationship.
Calm down.
Sorry,
Hey, see, I am single until you people see ring on my finger. This one is still relationship. I'm single till you people see ring on my finger.
People like you would like to cheat well. Which one say you are single? You did relationship. Then not put it
single until you see a ring on my finger. Period. I beg.
So even the man when he make noise, the bass if we see one.
Like I said, single until there's a ring on this finger. I beg.
I bet wait till they call your fans then.
Jenny Beans. Nigerians won't chew me up for this name, but now Jenny Beans. Beans like like I don't understand. So you know how they have jelly beans. You know how they have jelly beans,
yeah.
But obviously I didn't want to put like human beans because it stands for human beings, but it's spelled jelly beans. Okay. So Jenny Beans.
Beans.
we feel change out because
you cook really.
I will cook now.
Now I ask
Jenny Ewa. Jenny Ewa.
You sure say they go like me call that kind name?
Don't cost
So sharply before you come on right now, yes, I know you get a lot to do. I want just ask now. Whether I like or not, I like the fact he grew up for the States, so he's already well accepted over there. But Nigeria, don't they come to the whole idea of, say, if you're not okay with your body, you'll do your body, go boy, and you rest there. Yeah. Now, a few years before, if you talk this thing, people like, no, don't do that. But now, people, they save money to go do one. Yeah. You get me. But for you, generally, you personally, what will be your take on that?
Do what you want to do with your body. It's your body. Nobody can stop you. Understand? If you want fine, you want to enhance your beauty, go do them. Do you understand? But please be safe.
Do them safely.
Do them safely. No go just do them cause you see say this doctor. Do your research, I think, and also be truthful with yourself and be truthful with your doctor. No go tell
because
say,
inside the house, inside the will call the yes say
you know say na that gathering where you
I see the gathering for my phone. I said, jeez,
one they have
casted.
Look how long
Mama Miami, you know call am where na Miami. Mama Miami.
And I hear say that Miami get the best doctors.
Mama Miami.
I went to Miami. Yes, I did a couple years ago. Well, not a couple years ago. What is it? 2 years now. But obviously, just because when I go do surgery, make sure you still eat healthy. Because me, I don't gain all my weight back.
Okay.
Also,
I hear say they renew every 3 years. Like, but that's true.
There's no renewal. If you go for revision or if you want
to.
Okay, now revision, not be renewal.
No renewal.
Just English, sorry.
Revision, or you want to go add more or anything like that. If you go, but you also if you go to the gym and you just lose the weight that you want to lose, but. Once there's some people that don't want to put in that work and
they'll just prefer to go like after 3 years.
Yeah, but surgery is not a quick fix because you still have to maintain. You have to maintain it. Everything.
Mind waiting you chop.
Make sure you keep up with everything after surgery. So it's not just a quick fix. There's there's things you have to keep up with after.
So with the way they talk, like you get heavy knowledge on top. You they plan to open.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. But you they plan to maybe start to do for Lagos because the one when they do for Lagos, it they shock me. Very anyhow surgery now they do. So you plan to bring the professional touch, come.
He choke. I don't be doctor, but definitely if I feel bring doctors when it's name they do, bring them for Lagos and also educate women on what not to do for surgery and what is the right thing and what is not the right thing because I feel like Lagos we love.
So your ass just full everywhere.
We love beauty for this country and we feel do anything to get the beauty where we want and. I feel like
you need the right advice.
You need the right advice and just be safe with it because this surgery is surgery, so anything can happen in that surgery room. So just make sure that you are safe. Do you understand? And do your proper research, you guys. Please.
Big J, I like the fact say you did straightforward and you know hide down. You not be hypocrite like some people don't do this in a gym. I've been in the gym for 6 months.
I'm not getting ash before this,
After they don't do them, they come stock say they don't start their own pills.
protein shake.
Hey.
They'll call it deceive young girls. Those one go buy with 1 million naira. They're not going to see any improvement.
Happen.
So we wish you success, Jenni.
Thank you so much.
First of all, like me they open that restaurant for you move you can chop. You get, but if not, invite us when that good egusi soup already.
No,
so which Naija song you they vibe with right now? Maybe
is it Sabi? Is it Sabi Nuso? Sabi by Ira Stars.
Okay, Stability.
Oh. That's the first song I listened to when I came out of the house, and I love it so much.
Okay, before that, which other one?
It's definitely Asiwaju by Ruga.
Okay, we'll give you Asiwaju right now because you did the front line, Abi. They run the race, and we did with you for back just to see everything.
Thank you.